The red block goes into the tube first. Now pay close attention, I warned you. It's bewildering, it's baffling. The white block goes into the tube second, like this. Then the blue block goes into the tube third, like that. So the blue block is on top to verify, see? The blue block is on top, but now we turn it upside down, which puts the blue block back on the bottom, correct? No. For this is an illusion called when upside down is not upside down, for the red block is still on the bottom, the white block is still in the middle, and the blue block is still on top. Occasionally when this happens, people say, wait a minute, you need to do that again. I'm not sure I paid attention like I should have. So the magician does it again. He says, this time watch carefully. Red block goes into the tube first, white block second, blue block third. I turn it over, there's the blue block. You can see the blue block is now on the bottom. So it should be upside down, but it's not upside down because the blue block is not on the bottom. The red block is not on the top. The blue block is still where it's supposed to be. In this case, upside down is not upside down. By now, some people get suspicious. Now others simply say, wait, do that again. I wasn't watching carefully enough. But some say, I'm wondering about that cardboard tube. Do you have something extra in the tube? Something that might have something to do with the secret? Well, I will tell you there is something extra in the tube, but it's nothing exciting, it's nothing extraordinary, it's just an egg, that's all. And it doesn't have a thing to do with the explanation to the trick. You see, it's just a tube. In fact, you can see by way of the egg drops right through the tube. So it's just a tube, that's all there is to it. But nevertheless, if we have a red block on the bottom, a white one in the middle, a blue one on top like this, and then if we cover them up with our tube like this, now pay attention class, blue's on top, correct, red's on the bottom. So then if we take and turn the whole thing upside down, so now blue's on the bottom and red's up on top, well, upside down still is not upside down because the blue's on the top, the white's in the middle, and the red one is on the bottom. Now, there's a couple other things we could do if this was not a normal situation. You see, normally the routine ends at this point. People clap, cheer, they just go wild with excitement. And so that's probably what I should do right now. But I would tell you, if this was not a normal situation, we would do a couple more things. For example, we would take the blue block and the white block, we would put them in the tube like this. White and blue in the tube. Very, very simple. We turn the tube upside down like that. We take the red block and we put it over here into our box. Then the next thing you know, we discover now we have the red block over here and we have the blue block back over here. Maybe we should try this one more time. So we take the red block and we put it here. In fact, I've got a better idea yet. Here's something really amazing. What if we did this instead? What if I took the blue block and the white block and I put them here? And I took the red block and I put it over here, and I made the red block just invisibly travel over to the top of the tube. Let me check. It's there. And then I made it invisibly travel back over to the box. Let me check. It's there. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, I know what people typically say. They say, Dwayne, you should have quit while you were ahead. You should have quit with a simple little business of the red block, the blue block, and the white block. But I didn't quit while I was ahead because I wanted to say one more thing about upside down and right side up, and that is maybe we don't quite understand how these things can turn here, there, and everywhere. But we can all still do a little bit of magic relating to upside down because we can turn our own frowns upside down. And that's a magical thing when we smile. And by way of acts of kindness, patience,